Oh, if you're still here, I've been quiet because of the noise and the wind, but if you're still here, it's a tremendous amount of fertility right there. We fed on this slope all winter, and then over that slope too. But then they also spend a lot of time in the corral. Some nights they'd stay out here, some nights they'd spend the night in the corral. Kind of depending on what was going on. If it's stormy, we like to make sure they're a little more protected. If the coyotes or other predators are real active, we like to keep them in close. If the big bulls all go in and the little calves stay out, well, we push the calves in too. And a few times we got 3 bulls right now. Really only need 1, but anyway, there was one night and bulls had themselves in a triangle pattern, kind of with the herd in between them. Alrighty friends, everybody have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye.